Relentless pursuit of health. It began with a discovery that nature holds the essence of human health. Then, a commitment to create technology that delivers nature's profound health to humanity. And we keep evolving, driven by a mission to craft better technologies for a healthier, more fulfilling lives. Because we believe one simple appliance can transform our lives. After years of devoted research into human health, we found the answer from nature. Nature is the vitality and healing energy itself. We have finally reached a conclusion. The ultimate source to healthy living is to consume natural foods. That is nature's gift to humanity. This realization sparked a question. How can we consume nature in its purest form? Our answer to this were fruits and vegetables, the closest connection to nature. Is there a more refined way to enjoy fruits and vegetables with ease? How can we ensure that every nutrient is preserved to perfection? Through tireless efforts, day and night, we designed gears, machined stainless steel, and hand-carved screws. Finally, this dedication led to the creation of the world's first slow juicer. We didn't just invent a machine. We uncovered the essence of health within nature. The name Hurom reflects our mission to enrich lives of humanity. Under this vision, our philosophy remains unwavering, guided by the principles of preserving the color, flavor, and nutrition of fruits and vegetables. Hurom continues to drive technological innovation. This led to the creation of the world's first slow squeeze technology, a method that maintains the nutrition intact through gentle, low-speed extraction instead of high-speed blending. How can we help people kickstart healthier lifestyle? This question has been the starting point of Hurom's innovation. Designing user-friendly juicers for effortless use, simplifying use for hassle-free preparation, prioritizing safe, hygienic, and durable materials, reducing juicing time to make healthy habits easy and sustainable. Our relentless advancements in juicing technology reflect Hurom's genuine commitment to integrating health into daily life. Since the 1970s, our dedication to health has established Hurom as a trusted partner in wellness. While groundbreaking innovation often invite imitation, Hurom remains unwavering in its pursuit of leadership and excellence. We dedicate more resources to each and every product, apply advanced technology, and continue to lead as the original inventor of slow juicers. We found the answers, solutions most beneficial and convenient for human health. Yet, as humanity strives for a better life, we will continue to move forward in search of better solutions. because nature still contains infinite secrets to health waiting to be uncovered. Your health, our priority. Hurom.